Good morning children and welcome to your EVS class. Dear students, today I am going to teach you all lesson 18 plants around us, given in page number 34 of your EVS book. In this lesson we will discuss about different types of plants which are different in shapes, size and kinds. There are different types of plants which are different in shapes, size and kinds. So let's read about them. In our today's class, I will also tell you about different parts of plant and we will also discuss about the things that we get from plants. So let's start. The first one is here in page number 34. You can see that there are pictures of many trees. There are pictures of many trees. What do you mean by trees, children? What do you mean by trees? The plants which are very big in size. The plants which are very big in size are called as trees. The plants which are very big and huge in size are called as tree. You can see this plant in my hand. This is a small baby plant of curry leaf. This is a baby plant, but after some time you will see that it will grow and it will become huge. It will become big. So big trees, big plants which are big in size are called as trees, such as mango, banyan, peepal, neem, banana, coconut and so on. You can see the pictures of trees in your book also. The first one is banyan, mango, coconut, neem, peepal and banana. All these plants are very big and large in size. The plants which are big and large in size are called as trees. These plants are very huge in shape. That is why they are called as trees. The next plant is, and you can also see that there are some plants which are small in size. The plants which are small in size and they have soft stem. Such plants are called as herbs. Plants are categorized in various categories. So, the plants which are small in size and which have soft thin stem or green stem are called as herbs. Aloe vera, mint, thyme, grass, all these are called as herbs because children, when you can see that the grass, you can pluck the grass very easily because grass has a green stem. Grass has a green stem and it is very soft. So, grass is a herb. Mint, thyme and aloe vera. All these plants have green soft stem. So, these plants are called as herbs. The next variety of plant is shrubs. Let us discuss about shrubs now. Big and bushy. Big and bushy plants are called as shrubs. Big and bushy. Let's talk about shrub. What are the example of shrub? I think children that you might have seen rose plant. Rose is a very common flower which you can see, which you can find in your garden or in your neighborhood too. So, rose is a very good example of shrub because it is bushy. It is big and bushy in shape, in kind. So, rose is a shrub. Some more examples are given in your book. Next is bougainvillea. Rose, bougainvillea and sunflower. Yes children, sunflower is also a shrub. Have you ever seen sunflower? It is a very beautiful flower which is yellow in color, and it moves according to the direction of sun. So sunflower and roses are common plants which comes under shrub. The next variety of plant is creeper and climber. Creeper and climber. Children, do you know what is creeper and what is climber? There are some plants which are very soft and thin and very small in size. There are some plants which are very soft, thin and small in size. They does not have a hard stem. They creep on ground. Such plants are called as creepers. They does not have a hard stem. Such plants are called as creepers, which creeps or which grows towards the sun, but they grows on the ground. They creeps on the ground, such as watermelon. Watermelon or bitter gourd is an example of creeper. So, the plants which creeps on ground, which grows on ground are called as creepers. The next variety is climbers. Climbers are those plants which can grow with the help of a support, are called as climbers. So, here children, you can see this plant in my hand. Can you identify this plant? Which plant is this? Do you know this? This plant? Can you identify this? This is a bluebell vine plant. This plant is a bluebell vine plant, or in Hindi we call it as aprajita. It is found in many colors. Most commonly colors of this flower is blue and white. You can find blue bell vine flower very easily. It is also called as aprajita in Hindi. This plant is a climber. You can see that the tentacles of this plant. This part is the tentacle of the plant, which will take the support of this stick. You can see that there is a stick which it takes the support of the stick to grow and to climb. So this plant is a climber. It climbs with the help of a support. So in this pot you can see that it is taking the help of the support of a stick and it is climbing. So this bluebell vine is a flower is a climber. It climbs with the help of a support. Grapevine children, commonly called as grapes. All of us love grapes to eat. Yes, grape is a fruit. Grape is a fruit which is found in bunches and which is found in green and black in color. So, grapevine is also an example of climber. Now children, let us discuss about different parts of plants. Here, in page number 35, you can see that parts of a plant. Yes children, plants have different parts. plants have different parts. Just like our body, plants are also different parts. As in the previous chapter, I have just taught you about living things and non-living things. We human beings are living things. Plants are also living things. So, just like us, plants have also different body parts. We human beings have eyes, ears, nose, hands, finger, shoulder. So, similarly, plants have also different parts. So, let's talk about the parts of plant. Here, you can see on the board that I have drawn a picture of a plant. I have drawn a picture of a plant. You can see that. Now, I am going to tell you about the different types of plant. You can also see in page number 35 of your EVS book. Yes, children, this part of a plant is called as roots. The part of a plant which grows below the soil. The part of a plant which grows below the soil is called as roots. So, this is called root. This is called root. Root is the part of a plant which grows below the soil. Next is this part of a plant is called as stem. This part of a plant is called as stem. The part of a plant which grows towards the sun is called as stem. This hard, tough middle part of the plant is called as stem. This is leaf. Yes, children, this is leaf. It is also the part of a plant. Next one is, here you can see that this is called flower. This is called flowers. Flower is also a very important part of a plant. Next is, here you can see this part. This is fruit. Fruit. Yes. So these are the different parts of a plant, children. These are the different parts of plant that you have to study in this lesson. So there are total 5 parts of a plant. How many parts? 5 parts. Starting from the bottom, root, the part which grows below the soil is called as root. The part of a plant which grows just after the soil is stem. Next is, this part is called as leaf. This one is flower, the beautiful colorful flower. And this one is a fruit. Fruit comes from a flower. Children, do you know that fruit comes after flower? Fruit comes from flower. So, these are the 5 parts of a plant: root, stem, leaf, fruits, flowers and fruits. Root, stem, leaf, flower and fruit are the 5 main parts of a plant. You can draw the picture of a leaf of a plant, or you can also label the parts of plants given in page number 35 of your EVS book in the book only. Okay. Now turn to page number 36. Do you know, children, that plants are said to be as our friends? Plants are our friends. What are the things that we can get from the plants? Let me tell you. We can get fruits from the plants such as mango, banana, guava, lychee, pears and many more things. We can get fruits from plants. We can also get vegetables from plants such as cabbage, cauliflower, chili, bitter gourd, brinjal, tomatoes, etc. We can get fruits and vegetables from plants. We can also get wood from plants. We can get cotton. Yes, children. Here you can see that I have cotton in my hand. Yes, we can get cotton from plants. We can get oil from plants. Plants gives us many things such as spices. There are many spices which we can get from plants such as chili. What is this? This is chili. This is also one of our spice. Yes, children. Can you identify this? Yes. This is bay leaf. This is bay leaf. It is also one of our spice. We get bay leaf also from plant. It is a plant product. Next is cardamom. Yes, children, you can see cardamom. Cardamom. You can see it is a small cardamom. It is also a spice and we get cardamom from plants. Yes, this is black cardamom, badi elaichi. Yes, children, it is also a plant product. It is also a plant product. Next is cinnamon. Cinnamon. Yes, we get many spices from plants such as cinnamon, bay leaf, green chili, cardamom, black cardamom. Last but not the least, we get cloves also. Clove is also a spice. So we get cloves from plant. It is also a plant product. Apart from all these things, we get tea and coffee from the plants. We get tea and coffee from the plants. We get medicine from the plant products. We get gum from plants. So, in this way, we can say that plants are our friends because we get many things that we use in our day-to-day life from plants such as fruits and vegetables, wood, spices, oil, cotton, medicine and gum. All these things we get from plants. You can see in page number 36 also. Now children, let us talk about the different types of leaves given in page number 37 of your book. There are many trees or plants around us. Each and every trees and plants have different types of leaves. Some have big leaves and some have small leaves such as banana leaf. Banana leaves are very big and large in size. People leaf. People leaves are small in size. Mango leaves are also big. Coconut leaves are huge in size. So, neem leaves are also big. And rose leaves are small in size. Banyan leaves are also small in size. So, you can see that there are many types of plants which which have different kinds of leaves of different shapes and size. Now, next is children. In this box, you can see that you have to make an animal shape using dry leaf. Using dry leaf of any plant. I have made with the help of dry leaf the picture of a cockroach. You can also make any animal shape with the help of brown leaf. So this is all about the different types of plants which are around us. So children, I hope that you will like this video and you will watch this video at your home and you will learn from it. Till then, keep learning and do take very good care of yourself. Thank you.